My name is Anas Arimiao Anas. I'm an investigative journalist. Violence against women is not brave.
My name is Reverend Stephen Wengam, Assemblies of God, Ghana. Violence against women is ungodly.
I am Sheikh Armiyaw Shaib, the Regional Manager, Islamic Education Unit, Greater Accra Region. And I say violence against women is not righteous.
My name is Kwame Sefakai. I'm a broadcast journalist, and I believe violence against women is unjust.
My name is Basilio Okello, National Director, World Vision Ghana. Violence against women retards development.
We men of Ghana
say no to violence
against our mothers,
sisters,
wives,
our girlfriends,
and daughters.
EPOWA, World Vision, WISE, UNIFEM, and our other partners wish to invite you on 4th December at the Aviation Social Center at 7:30 a.m. for a men's march against violence against women. Please join us and make history.
You have no business hitting a woman.